Guys, I am Ankit and today's video we are going to showing you how you can fix your merchant center account. And in this video I'm going to diagnose one merchant center account and showing you live how we can fix the merchant center account error. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell. And now let's jump into the screen, and here you can see our merchant center account got suspended. Now we are going to click on the diagnostics tabs, click on account issues and click on learn more about the misrepresentation policy. This account got suspended due to the misrepresentation policy, and most of the account got suspending due to the same policy and same policy issue. You can read all the policy. I have already explained this policy so many times. The main issue with the misrepresentation is that the Google system doesn't feel safe and secure, and your content is looking like very risky for the Google user. That is why your merchant center account got suspended, and most of the chances your business information is missing. Now let's click on the diagnose your policy issue tab. Click here. Start over. Confirm your account. Confirm. Here you can see our merchant center ID 638. Now you can see here our account having two issues. First issue is the account issue. Account issue is related to our Google merchant center account issue. And the second type of issue is terms related issue. Means our product data having lot of issues. So first of all, let's see what's the account issue. Click here account issue and click on continue. Here you can see our account issue having the misrepresentation issue. Misrepresentation issue may belong to your merchant center, and maybe your website is not set up properly. And let me go back. And here you can see the terms issue. Terms issue is purely related to your product data feed related, and here you can see here we can find lot of issues like images too small, image size minimum at least 100 multiplied by 100 pixel, personalized advertising, personal hardship. There are lot of personalized advertising stuff, like lot of errors, and invalid value of category pricing. Their pricing also having the issue, like increase the price to number higher than the 0. There are some product that priced around 0. There are promotional overlays. Some of the product image containing some logos, might be some text, and there are limited performance due to the missing identifiers like GTIN, MPIN and brand name, missing value size, missing value age, missing gender, missing value color, missing GTIN number, limited performance due to the GTIN number, limited performance due to the ISBIN or GTIN number, images too small, automatic terms update price condition, low image quality, value, the product title is so low. So there are a lot of errors. We have found almost 16 errors in our product data feed. And first error is related to our website and our merchant center account. Now let's review one by one. Now let me click to the shipping and policy page, shipping and return. Here you can see shipping is set up and return policy is also set up. And if I click to the diagnostics tab, here you can also see all the error like images too small, invalid pricing, promotional overlays, GTIN error, size, color, age group, color, images too small, like lot of error we have found. Now let me go to the website and look at what error else we can find. Here is our website URL. Copy this. Here you can see first error are clearly visible, like in our website footer, like our business information is missing, like our contact us number, email, our business details are missing in our footer. And if I go to the about us page, you can see our about us page having very thin content. There is no such information like how we are started our businesses, and about our business in-depth information is required in the about us page, like who is owning this business, and our company name, our brand name, and what type of business model we are running, like we are resellers or we are manufacturer. Like there are nothing, so we need to update our about us page as well. And here you can see 100% guarantee. Shop with a peace of mind, knowing our 100% guarantee assure your satisfaction. And guys, don't claim such these stuff 100% guarantee. These type of claims also create lot of issue and invalid promotions, so we need to remove this stuff also. And what we can find, and let me go to the some product page, and here you can see our product page not having the enough content, like our product page not having the features information, description, benefit. There is nothing, so our product page content also very thin, so that is also need to fix in our website. Almost all product having no such information, so guys, make sure update your product description. And if I go to the policy page, like privacy policy, guys, this policy also looking like there is no such specific information, like there is contact information is missing, only email address is provided. So we need to update our privacy policy also, and mention our company name, our brand name, and anything that we are like if we are using Google Ads, mention that we are using Google Ads. If you are using some analytical tools, mention that you are using analytical tool to track the user data. Mention all that stuff. Don't use templated policy pages. You need to draft your own policy depending upon what technology you are using. So we need to fix our privacy policy also. And if I go to the contact us page, and guys, make sure your contact us page, make sure this is your address. Make sure you link your address to Google My Business profile. If you don't have the Google My Business profile, then you need to create the Google My Business profile. You can set up. Click on Manage Now. And here you can add your business and make your business profile and verify your business address. And guys, do not use the virtual business addresses or any third-party address, maybe like the warehouse address, because these addresses creating a lot of issues, and looking your website is suspicious and very risky for the Google user. So it might also chance your account got suspended due to this low quality of address. And here you can see the phone number is mentioned, but does not mention like what would be the working hours. So we need to also define our working hours where our phone support is available. Let me go to the billing and terms condition. Here you can see all the payment gateway information is mentioned. Yeah, it is fine. So we have found a lot of information that we need to fix. First of all, we need to fix the product data. We need to fix all the product data issue related to our feed. All of these error we need to fix, and then we need to update our policy pages. I recommend to update all the policy page, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy. And let me go to the shipping policy. And guys, I recommend you in your shipping policy add the tracking button, and you can also add like in your footer track your order button so customer can track their order. So mention your tracking URL on the shipping policy page, and the return and refund policy page is also very clear how you are refunding to the customer, how they will receive the refund. Like if you are charging any restocking fee, mention in your return and refund policy page, mention all the stuff. So error might be in the 3 level. First is your merchant center level. Like maybe your merchant center not having the enough information, like your customer service contact information is missing, and make sure your customer service contact information like this number and this number is matching. And if I go to the contact us page, this number is different and this number is different, because Google will use this number to verify you are the owner of the business. It will not display to the customer, but still I recommend you to use the same phone number here. So first of all, check your merchant center and all the setting. Make sure your merchant center account setting, all the settings set up properly, and then check your website level. If you find any error in your website, update your policy pages like all the privacy policy, shipping policy, return and refund, billing policy, about us, all the policy pages. And then improve your website user experience, like maybe like check all that stuff related to like technical SEO, because technical SEO is very important. Make sure there is no 404 error. And then at the last is important stuff is your product data feed, because if you're submitting any wrong information to the Google and if there is any issue, then we need to fix the product data issue also, and make sure your product title and description is clear, and do not use very long title like Amazon. If you want to describe about your product, and describe in your the description portion and provide all the important attribute and data for your product, so Google can specify your product and match with the data, so they can understand you are doing the authentic business. So guys, these are my recommendation. If you are facing the misrepresentation issue, that's how we are auditing. Guys, if you are facing the same issue, you can comment your website and I will try to audit your website and trying to submit you the report. Guys, if you want our service, you can contact us and reach out to our mail, and you can place order directly on Upwork also. So guys, we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.